What's up family, how you doing? It's your girl back again. Karibu sana to my channel. My name is Faith. Oh, I feel so nice to be back. Hey, ni muda. I feel so nice to do this once again. So in case you're here, this is a channel where we make best African delicacies on a budget-friendly account. Yes, I only have one goal here, which is to make you confident. Be confident in your cooking skills, yeah? Only at the comfort of your homes. So today's video is a very short video. First of all, atuendelee please, kama you've not subscribed, kindly do so. It's free of charge. You get to support my content. I'm waiting. Thank you so much. Anyway, so for today's video, I was making my sister's favorite banana milkshake. And I was like, it's been a while. Why not share this recipe with you guys? So with no more further ado, let's do this. Alright guys, if you have such bananas at home, sometimes we don't like to eat bananas when they are this ripe. So please save those bananas for this recipe. So I have my 2 bananas, I have a glass of milk, and I love to spice it up with some little dairy milk whole nut chocolate. I didn't find the plain one, so I'm gonna go with that. And we have our blender over here. So with no more further ado, let's do this. So the first thing, we are going to peel our bananas. Then the next thing guys, we are going to add in our milk. Ooh, like so. Then we blend. So we're going to add in our chocolate. I have to leave some for her. So just break them down because it's going to blend. This is just extra, but our milkshake is already ready. And we blend again. I know. Cheers to great recipes. Cheers to great milkshakes. I'll be sharing more. This is just my sister's favorite, because if you have a sibling, please try this recipe. Not just for siblings, you can just try it, my friend. Hey, you love it. The consistency. It's like when you're drinking, it's like you're kind of getting a massage on your head. Alafu venye inateremka ni tamu. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed and you're gonna try. You know, the comment section is there for you to give me your feedback. I love and I enjoy your feedback. So till next time, I'll try and do more. Bye bye. Subscribe.